Your pain has a purpose. Listen to me. The very thing that broke you, God will use to build you. What crushed your heart could be the very key to unlocking your destiny. Your pain is not random. Your pain has a purpose. If you feel like giving up, don't. Because what you're carrying right now is not just pain. It's preparation. We've all cried out, "Why me? Why did God allow this?" But hear this. Pain is not punishment. Pain is positioning. Psalm 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and saves those crushed in spirit." He's closer than you think, even in the silence. Your pain is the training ground for your purpose. God cannot release the weight of your destiny until He matures you to carry it. Every challenge is shaping you for the next level. Look at Joseph, betrayed, sold, forgotten. Yet he rose to rule a nation. Look at Job, stripped of everything, but restored double. Look at Jesus. The cross looked like defeat, but it became the world's salvation. Genesis 50:20 declares, "The enemy meant it for evil, but God meant it for good." That's your story too. In your pain, don't quit, because pain produces power. Pain produces strength. Pain trains your spirit like weights train muscles. Pain produces compassion. You can lift others because you've been through it. Pain produces purpose. Your scars become someone else's survival manual. 2 Corinthians 1:4 says, "We comfort others with the comfort we ourselves have received from God." That means your suffering has an assignment. So how do you survive the fire? Don't run from God. Run into His arms. Write down your story. It's becoming your testimony. And while you wait, choose worship over worry. Isaiah 61:3 promises, "Beauty for ashes, joy for mourning, praise for heaviness." What looks like ashes now will one day shine like gold. Your story will not end in pain. It's being transformed into purpose. One day, the very thing that hurt you will be the reason someone else finds healing. Romans 8:28 shouts it loud, "All things work together for good for those who love God." Yes, even this. If this word shook something inside of you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who's hurting. And subscribe for more encouragement, because your faith story is still being written.